Hi everybody! At KMS we have always been looking for sustainable yet high-performing products. But did you know that already in the 70s, as part of our brand heritage, we introduced our first solid shampoo bar. It was called the Niva shampoo. This product was well ahead of its time because it had several advantages. Due to the water-reduced formula, we could use a carton box as packaging, so no plastic. And we saved with each shampoo one plastic bottle. And saving, that means we saved a lot of resources, because at the end of the day, plastic is made out of oil. We saved a lot of plastic waste, because remember, plastic that hasn't been used in packaging cannot harm the environment. But also due to its lower weight, we had a lower CO2 emission during transportation. So all in all, this product had a really low carbon footprint. And Claire, I'm really excited that at KMS we are sticking to this philosophy, that we are going down this route again and reinventing the solid shampoo category in 2021.
Elmar, you're going to love this. We've created our brand new solid shampoo bars in the 3 most requested in-salon hair care types, from moisture and repair to volume to sensitive skin and scalp. Our brand new MOISTREPAIR bar is great for putting moisture back in the hair and repairs damage. Our ADDVOLUME gives volume to the hair and gives the roots a lift. And then our sensitive shampoo, which is for sensitive skin and scalp. It's pH skin neutral, which means it's ultra mild and it's fragrance free. Can be used for hair and the body. All this from our solid shampoo bars, but at the same great expectations that you have from our liquid shampoos. In addition to all of this, it has minimal impact on the environment. There's up to 7 times less water in here than you see in our conventional shampoos. We have up to 79% natural ingredients and 94% biodegradable. And they even come with our smart keeper case, which is perfect for storing your bar and also great for holidays. We know that you and your clients are going to absolutely love our new solid shampoo bars. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned and look out for our new shampoo solid bars.